Hey everyone, it's Squiggly McPickens with Ants on a Melon. I'll be using the Galaxy 2.0 BitWhip for today's video. This is part 1 of the Intro to Grip Points in the LightWhip Foundation series. We're going to go over different grip styles and how to transition between them. We're learning how to navigate the whole of our whip from tail to handle. In this video, I'll be covering handle grip, both forward and in reverse, as well as transitioning. Holding your whip by the handle, forwards, is likely pretty familiar to you. Try holding your whip with your fibers forward. Holding your handle with a single hand, try creating some movement and see how that feels. You're pushing forwards into your fibers when you move the handle. Take a moment and get used to that. Now hold your handle in reverse. One hand on your handle with the fibers facing towards you. Move your fibers in the same way. This time you're pulling your fibers or leading them. It's a different feeling as the weight has shifted, and it also looks different visually. Take some time to get to know your whip when held this way. Test out different moves, off body or in contact with you. Getting to know movements with the handle in both directions is the first step in learning to navigate the whole of your whip. Let's get used to switching the direction your handle faces. Do this by pinching the handle in your fingers, leaving it loose of your palm and letting your fibers drop downward. Then switch the orientation of your hand. Practice this as we're gearing up to be able to move around your whip from tail to handle. Gaining the ability to move your fibers from forward to back will help you with transitions. That's an introduction to forward and reverse handle grip. Hit like if this video helped you out, share it with your flomies, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In part 2, we're going to go over 2-point grip and 1-point fiber grip.